Hello, I'm Jessie, the founder of Provenance. Provenance is a software service for brands to make the impact of their products transparent. I started Provenance out of a personal frustration for how little we know about the things we buy. Every product has an impact on people and the planet. But after decades of globalization, we have really become disconnected from the reality of production. Today, the facts about a product's social and environmental impact are hidden or communicated differently from brand to brand or retailer to retailer, which means it's difficult for shoppers to make positive choices about what to buy. At the same time, brands are making genuine progress on their impact, but those brands aren't necessarily winning in the market. With information stuck in internal systems, PDF sustainability reports, behind the many different certifications and badges, there's no effective way for brands to clearly and accessibly share the proof across a range of issues with shoppers, and this means their sustainability efforts remain hidden or confusing. Our mission at Provenance is to turn positive social and environmental impact into brand value. One day, we hope every great product comes with Provenance, accessible, trustworthy information about its origin, journey, and impact. Today, our software service enables brands and retailers to manage the process of being transparent, taking data from internal systems and publishing across multiple channels and markets. To protect brands and shoppers against greenwash, we've developed the open source transparency framework with a team of independent experts. Benchmarked against international standards for responsible sourcing and sustainability, our framework helps brands communicate in a consistent, comprehensive, and credible way. Today, we have more than 100 brands being transparent about their impact on people and the planet using Provenance tools. They do this through their website, from QR codes on packaging, and also via social media and retail channels. Retailers can gain consistent, credible digital product impact information at scale, and brands now have a simple system to be transparent across every touchpoint, real time. By enabling products to come with information on their impact on things like climate change, waste, pollution, nature, and people, near and far, we can empower citizens to drive progress through their purchasing power and help enable a future where buying a product is a force for good.